What's up everyone, so I'm Johnny here from ACeperience RC. Today we are looking at this MN99s again. As we know, it is a flip over king among all the RC that we have. The reason why is because it has a very soft suspensions. When it's off-roading, it will easily lose balance and flip over. So today we have this new oil suspension here, and I will install it, then we will see any improvement on it or not. So let's get it started. First we need to take off the wheel and unscrew the top and bottom mount of the original suspensions. Thereafter we compare the height of the original and the new suspensions. Then it seems like the new suspension is longer than the original suspensions, but not to worry. There is the universal mount that's come together when I purchased the new suspensions. In order to bolt on the mount, you may need to cut off the original mount first, then bolt on the new universal mount on the chassis. Just make sure it's bolted and secures its positions. Then you're able to mount the suspensions on it. After mounted, continue the same process for other suspensions as well.